Hi everyone, I'm Jerry, and I was actually just sent this. This is an industrial strength shelf that's actually a 48-inch wide, 24-inch deep, and can be either a 72-inch high, which is a 6-foot high, 5-tiered shelf that can hold up to 6,000 pounds, which is 1,200 pounds per shelf, or it can be put into two 3-foot size workbenches. I'm going to be assembling it for you today, and we're actually going to make the 6-foot high shelf that has the 5 shelves in it. And what we're going to do is unbox this real quick and show you all the parts that are in here. It does come with an instruction guide. I'm going to get it all completely unboxed. It is a toolless assembly, so you can do all this by hand. If you want to have a little bit of a helper, hammer to kind of tamp some of those down, you can certainly do that. So the first step you're going to do is put these little plastic feet on the bottom. If you obviously are doing this in the 2 3-foot sections, you've got other plastic feet they provide you with to do the other one there. And then you're going to put the 2 small ones on either side and 2 long ones on the back, making sure that these little round knobs go into these eyelets and slide down to lock into place. That will give you the area to put your shelf along this inside track. It is pretty easy to do. It does help if you have someone else that can kind of hold to get this thing started and stabilized. Now that we've got this part in, you can actually go ahead and move on, and we're going to go ahead and build the next couple of shelves. Now that we've got a couple of these in there, it's already extremely stable, but to attach this other one, to run it up for the full 6 foot, they provide you with these pieces here that say up. Just going to simply slide them over the top as thus, and then we're going to go ahead and just tap them into place. So now that we've got all 5 of these shelves kind of put in there, this thing is extremely sturdy. They actually provide you with this center cross beam, which actually you're going to put one of these on each one of these here, and it's going to use some teeth that are going to lock into these pieces on the side. And then it's going to be helpful if you have a little hammer, you can kind of tap those in place. Now we're ready to install these shelves. I've put 2 of them in already. These are nice heavy-duty compressed shelves with that extra middle support. That's going to add a lot of extra support to this. Again, holds 1,200 pounds and distributed evenly, which is going to be more than most people are going to ever need. I mean, that is a strong, stout shelf, and it fits right in that channel, which is great. I'm going to go ahead and install these last 2, and then they also send you with these pieces here, which you can utilize as little plugs to actually plug these here to lock those in place. This is a great shelf. I mean, this is an easy put together, easily took about 5-10 minutes to do. I'm loving the fact that they send you with these. These are optional hooks. I have not seen these on a lot of them, that allow you to easily put these anywhere you want, front, back, side, lock right into place. These little hooks are great. They allow you to hang hoses, electric cords, anything like that you want to get out of the way off the edge of the shelf, and let you get organized, and you can take back your garage.